Ben's red hen. Practice reading shorty. Ben has a hen. The name of the hen is Meg. Meg is a red hen. Meg has 10 eggs. The eggs are in the nest. One. Who has a hen? Ben has a hen. 2. What is the name of the hen? The name of the hen is Meg. 3. What color is Meg? Meg is a red hen. 4. How many eggs does Meg have? Meg has 10 eggs. 5. Where are the eggs? The eggs are in the nest.